ingredient for the green curry paste. The green curry paste, but this one, the shrimp paste. If you have the shrimp paste, if you not have, don't worry, because they're a little bit more smell, like this. Also, is kaffir lime. The kaffir lime we use only the skin. Okay, just a little the skin. Don't cut too much like a white one, because they make the curry paste have more like a taste bitter. This different is normal lime. It's a different normal lime. Okay, I can cut to give you see inside. This inside like this. Okay, different than normal lime. Okay, here's the kaffir lime, chili the green. Okay, about the curry paste, the green curry paste. When you make the green curry paste, you use the green chili, and then okay, now have to see inside this one ingredient, and then you can make the red curry and Penang curry and the massaman curry. Almost ingredient almost the same. Okay, now you can see inside. So the green curry paste, you have the green chili for the green curry paste. Change to the green chili, become a red curry paste. Okay, red curry paste. Add the peanut, Penang curry. Okay, for massaman curry. Before massaman curry, yellow powder or yellow curry, we have this cumin, coriander seeds, and the pepper, and this turmeric. This is yellow powder, and you add tom yum chili paste. Here's a tom yum chili paste. Now yellow curry paste, yellow powder, and yellow curry paste. Okay, this one for massaman curry. Massaman curry same like garam masala, cumin, coriander seeds, the pepper. This is a clove, star anise, cinnamon and cardamom, bay leaf, and nutmeg. For this one is for garam masala, and change from the nutmeg to become the mace. Massaman powder. Massaman powder, this one. The same, just change. This is shell from nutmeg. They call it mace, or someone call muscat. Okay, this massaman powder. Okay, go back to the green curry, pepper, coriander seed, and curry paste. For coriander seeds, you toast first coriander seeds, cumin, and the pepper. You can toast in the pan at low fire. To make more aroma.ตอนนี้หยุดก็ได้ This one coriander seeds and cumin have more aroma, already, and then you can put in the mortar. And then we pound. สบายใจแล้ว like this. Okay, and then now you can cut the lemongrass small pieces. in mortar, coriander seeds, cumin, and a pepper. When you pound already, and then we add this lemongrass, galangal, coriander roots, kaffir lime, and chili. Is normally you pound everything like this with salt, but easy, this is the grandma way. The easy for me, you can put everything together because you pound only the small portion, not the big, and there's garlic and shallot.อันนี้หยุดก่อนเดี๋ยวตอนแรกOkay, like this, green curry paste. Green curry paste. You can use for the green curry. ใช้หมดเลยทีเดียว